puzzles are a fun way to teach basic shapes and sizes or more complex subjects such as sequencing, vocabulary, and grammar. To create a puzzle as part of your TinyTap game, first design your slide. We're using a background from our creation packs and a layout that provides a dedicated space for the puzzle pieces. Use the text tool to place your title. In this demo, we'll be creating a sequencing activity. Import your image or clip art and place it in the slide. You can double tap the image and select Remove White to remove a white background. We always design the page as if the puzzle is pieced back together. In this case, the slide should be designed with the sequencing arranged in the correct order. When your design is complete, tap on Set Activity and select Cut a Shape Puzzle. Cut a shape by tracing it. Then, tap the plus sign and position it by dragging it to the desired area. To cut out identical pieces, simply double-tap the piece you've cut out. An identical piece would appear, which you can then drag to the next spot you wish to cut out. Keep in mind that if you're aiming to test comprehension and not just the ability to match puzzle shapes, it's best to trace identical puzzle pieces. Tap the settings icon at the top to add an instruction. This is also where you can access additional features to add to your puzzle, like setting the pieces as 3D shapes. When you're finished, tap Done and play to see your puzzle in action.